Hey spooks! So to create this Wednesday Addams makeup look, firstly I went into the Mascara Skin Base foundation in white and I just covered my face with this pale foundation. I then used the Mascara white concealer and I used that underneath my eyes, along the bridge of my nose, and just to highlight and conceal under my eyes. For my eyeshadow base, I went into this really pale pink colour called Ritual. I then went into this dusky purple shade on a fluffy blending brush and I used it underneath my eyes and I went into my eye crease as well. This colour is called Charm. I love this eyeshadow palette and the names are so witchy and cute. I then used this rusty brown shade on a bit of a smaller brush and I just started to concentrate that in the outer corner of my eye and into the crease and also on my lower lash line as well. I then just went into this super shimmery shade and I patted it just right on the centre of the eyelid and in the corner of my eye as well. I added a winged liner off camera and then I used this mascara. It's the first time I've used this one and I actually recommend it. I really liked it for my kind of eyelashes. I used this cool toned brown contouring powder and I just really lightly contoured my face with it. I used the shimmery eyeshadow shade that I used in the corner of my eyes as a highlighter and I just used my finger and just patted it on. For the lipstick I used this really dark purple colour. She doesn't really wear lipstick but I just wanted to kind of make it look a bit gothy and cool. I then started with the body paint, so she wears this really classic big white collared with like a black dress. So I just started to paint that on and there's a scene of her with this poison bottle which is a really classic scene. So I painted the poison bottle on my chest as well. And then I just painted the rest of my chest area in black and I painted some like really faint white flowers on the dress as well. Okay guys, this is the finished look for my Wednesday Addams makeup from the Addams family. Hope you liked it. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and check out my Instagram as well to see all the updates for my 31 days of Halloween. Goodbye.